Seattle Jewish Community School embraces acts of loving kindness, thoughtful contemplation about others, and a sense of their place in the world and the confidence to achieve a better world.
SJCS has given me the courage and curiosity and love and affection for other people that I have today and continue to have throughout my life.
The Seattle Jewish Community School has been a really wonderful fit for our son Guri. He's in his third year at the school, and the level of intellectual rigor that the curriculum provides, the way that the school takes community seriously is incredibly important, and the way that it brings Jewish values into education has been really wonderful for Guri and for our entire family.
As we're trying to find out what's going on with our students and our communities, these students are going to be prepared to be global citizens. So not only are they learning the academic skills, but they're also learning the social-emotional skills of what it is to be a human being in this fast-moving world.
As someone that's grown up in a very reformed Jewish family with not a lot of understanding necessarily before SJCS about what it meant to be Jewish and that kind of history, so that's really definitely developed my identity as a person today and as a Jewish individual.
My youngest daughter went to kindergarten, first and second grade here, and at the end of that she felt it was a little small and decided she wanted to try out the public school. So she went there for a year. It was an okay year, but at the end of the year she really wanted to come back to SJCS. She missed the teacher connection. She missed teachers really wanting to know her and getting to know her and being interested in her work, and she missed the hugs as well.
I think the unique thing that SJCS has to offer in Judaic studies in particular is that whole self and all of the spirituality that goes along with prayer.
The school looks at the concept of free and open inquiry, but the notion that in order to really be a relational leader in this world, you have to inquire, you have to be free to question your world and to question authority and to question your understanding of how the world works. And I think we do an extraordinary job of that. We create courageous learners at Seattle Jewish Community School.
My major at the University of Washington is International Studies, and my track is actually Human Rights. And I really, truly believe that is because of my education here at SJCS.
When I stand in front of the group, when we were singing Oseh Shalom B'Mamav, and I see their entire bodies moving and all of their self, it just brings so much joy, and that joy is infectious and it fills the entire space.
When you combine the freedom to have faith in our school under a Jewish umbrella of values and traditions, coupled with strong academics, that combination, integrated, makes the school unique in so many ways.
I am forever grateful to SJCS for helping my daughter and her classmates and all of the kids who go to this school find their voice and learn how to use it responsibly and with love.
What a wonderful school.